back down. Oh shit. He's weak ass. Looking down that Evo though. Oh.
That shit's sad, bro.
What's that? Oh shit, I gotta update you guys on what happened here.
This nigga.
Oh damn, it is kind of flat. Look at all this curb rash. It just happened last night.
Drop.
So I had to tape my Valston, but it doesn't matter now because all the air is already gone. Open this shit. Damn, look at that. Yo, what's good everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I've been busy lately, that's why I haven't posted a video in about 4 weeks, maybe 5 weeks now. This is just a quick little update, no project really. As you saw in that beginning clip, my tire is flat because my Valston popped off, and that shit sucks. So right now I'm about to just go get my tire fixed. My cousin with the Evo, he also got a new Recaro seat, so we're gonna check that out. I'm gonna show you guys that real soon. So that's a little update. Stay tuned for the future videos because I'm gonna have a lot of free time coming up, and a lot of free time means I'm gonna be working on my car a lot. So for all my new subscribers, thank you. I think I got like a couple these past 4 weeks, and for anybody that is not subscribed, if you come across this video, then subscribe if you may. See you guys later. Peace.
Do we hit that position again? Right there.
I don't need to go that high. I was thinking maybe just leave it on this thing. Oh shit, I should loosen this up first.
Oh, it's time for new wheels, dude.
No.
No, for me.
Oh, for you? Damn, for you?
Oh yeah, dude. Oh, I already got it for a year already.
Make sure you loosen it up first. Don't be stupid and jack it up.
Easy money.
Unless you have like a, what's that thing called? Unless you have one of those power tools or air compressed tools.
Shit.
Well, I don't.
Hey, what do you think that is? That's a Q. That's a Z.
Oh shit.
Damn, you're there? Let's get you pumped.
Yeah, you guys should just leave it on this thing.
Yeah. No, leave it on the jack stand.
Oh, this?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's probably better be safe.
Wrong way, the other way. Yeah. Go through, right?
Yeah, last
Damn.
Okay, I'm gonna have to go back down. Oh shit.
Whatever. Oh, it's not on it?
I need
This
Yeah,
nigga,
caught
dude.
that.
I was like,
Don't
what the
do
hell?
that.
No, 'cause I thought you put it under the thing.
So what I did right now is I messed up. The metal piece, I'm kind of like right in the middle, so I can't put the jack under it. Make sure you measure this correctly first. We're gonna go further back.
It's a
I'm
video.
also a little hungover.
This is how to jack up your car.
Let's see shit.
Turbo, dude. Damn, dude.
Alright, let's hurry up and do this. It's hot. Alright. Damn.
Easy money.
Let's take this here.
We gonna bet what?
$5 fits or
Yeah, ball
bet
for.
boba. I always
Ball
make
for.
it fit.
Hey, is he gonna fit, guys? Comment under the comment.
Easy.
Oh shit, that's fit. Okay.
Put everything back in the garage and get going.
Cut.
Is that a tow make down?
Hey, they say working like this or?
I think so. I don't know. Yeah, fuck it. Okay. Quick little update. We're at the tire shop right now. It's gonna cost me $20 to do this. I think it's a little bit pricey, but whatever. I'm cheap like that. Yeah, so they're gonna give me a plastic valve soon. This is the, what is it, the cap? So the cap has this piece that is stuck inside. I can't take it off right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some glue in there so that way this is tight, and then I could turn it out, because I still want to use this. Ooh, damn. Look at this cracked ass windshield right here. That's what happens when you can't evade rocks coming your way. One thing I want to mention also is that my original tires, they have the TPMS, which is the tire pressure sensor. I forgot what the M stands for, but since it's broken, I cannot use that one anymore, so I need to replace it. And each sensor is about $70, which is kind of stupid and ridiculously priced. So I'm gonna update you guys on that when I'm done with it. And because I don't have the sensor anymore, my tire light might come on in my car. It should come on, and it's not a big deal. Don't worry about it if that happens to your car too. So this is the sensor. This little shit right here costs like $70. And because this is broken right here, then I can't reuse it. Okay, let me show you. This whole piece is broken. Shit. Yeah, I just dented the Evo. Psych. So yeah, so this piece is broken. So yeah, this shit sucks. I backed into a wall. That's what happened. How did that happen? When I have a reverse camera? Well, it's because I was kind of drunk. Don't do what I do. Do not drink and drive. See ya.
Should've got Subi.
That's rust right there. It's kind of hard to focus, but yeah. He said Evo has cheap paint, and he should got no Subi.
Got Subi, bro.
Oh, it's done. Look at this shit. We about to get that Evo pole.
Launch that shit. Ready or what? You ready?
Woo! Goddamn.
That shit weak, bro.
Yeah, it's kind of weak.
Yeah, I don't feel bad. It's about my seats. 18 minutes.
That was nice. Sounds nice. Really nice.
But nah, I'm getting the wheels.
We back in business. Put this on and then head out. Got a car meet to go to tonight. Just kidding.
True.
Damn, look at that. I'm just gonna do it like this.
Fit me
no
on
lug
point.
nuts. It should
No
not
lug.
fall off.
Drifting time.
Beautiful Koenig. I think Koenig means king in whatever language that is. I forgot what language that is, but Koenig is cool. I mean, it's alright. Let's see, this is the rubber one now. Don't look as nice. I don't think I could put my, well, I can, I think, but it's gonna be sticking out far. That's the reason why this shit broke, because it stuck out too far. Yo, I think that's it for the day. Check out these new Recaro seats that he got. Can't really get a good review right now, but it's pretty nice. Nothing on this side yet, but this one's coming in soon. There might be a video for that one.
Damn.
Alright, say
2015 Evos ain't come with fucking Recaros.
he's mad because his final edition does not come with Recaro seats. I think it was all the 2015 Evos. So he bought these ones and they're pretty nice. I haven't sat in them yet, but it looks pretty bolstered right here. That's what you need. Now he needs to get the harness. Because this shit is weak right here. Finally got it after 4 years. He's pretty happy. Good deal too.
Yeah.
See guys.